Today we're going to have a look around this little CG125C. It's a 1983 model on a Y plate. Been off the road for, since 1994 apparently. So 22,000 miles. Tank's a little bit scratched here and there, but overall it's quite good. Rear rims are a little bit rusty. You can see. But they're a nice little 125. Just a steady old plodder. I really like them. I've had about 3, I think it is. And I love, but I've had the newer ones. Same engine, about 11 brake horsepower. Do about 60 mile an hour. Front rims, not too bad. Forks are a little bit pitted. Front mudguard's okay though. I find them really comfortable actually. Even though I'm 6 foot, I'm weighing a little bit. Let's get my lid on and we'll take it around the yard for a spin. These little CGs are pretty good engines, pretty well bulletproof. Always sound like a little Sir machine if the tappets are done properly. Little pushrod engine. They're nothing spectacular, but if you're like me and you just love motorbikes, I love simple motorbikes, I've said it before. And this is a simple motorbike. The brakes aren't the best on these. It's only a drum on the front and a drum on the back, but they do the job. You just ride accordingly. And this bike's really smooth actually. Soaking up the bumps really well. I used to ride mine everywhere. But I basically brought mine so I could ride it in the wet and not take my classic bikes out in the rain. And I ended up riding the CG more than I did anything else. They are a little bit small, I will admit they are a little bit small, but they are great fun. It's fun to be had on all sides of motorbikes, especially small ones. As I said on the little spin, yeah, it's a nice little bike, smooth, you know, soaks up the bumps well, even with my weight on it, goes well. Front brake needs bedding in. Charlie said he's put new brake shoes in there. Yeah, I think they're lovely little bikes, especially on a day like today. 2 or 3 of you riding about on your little 100s, little 125s. You don't need to go round everywhere at 100 mile an hour. Anyway, thanks for watching.